Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 replacement batteries. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Item number 5 in our list is DCB606. Specifications. Brand name, data. Nominal capacity, 9,000 mAh. Voltage, 60 volts. Size, 18650. Model number, DeWalt DCB606. Type, Lithium. Origin, mainland China. Item number 4 is DeWalt 20V60V6AH9AH12AH Lithium Battery. Specifications. Brand name, DeWalt. Model number, DCB606, DCB609, DCB612. Origin, mainland China. As the item number 3, we've selected DeWalt FlexVolt. Specifications. Brand name, DeWalt. Model number, DCB606. Accessory type, battery accessories. Origin, mainland China. Battery type, Lithium. Voltage, 18V, 20V60V. Capacity, 9,000 mAh. Item number 2 is Cell 8.0A. Specifications. Brand name, Cell. Bundle, Bundle 1. Battery number, actual purchased quantity. Size, 21700. Replacement battery, yes. Set type, batteries only. Type, Lithium. Nominal capacity, 8 Ah. Model number, DCB208. Origin, mainland China. On the top of our list at number 1 we have DCB200-18650 replacement Lithium battery. Specifications. Brand name, Chedodoli. Bundle, Bundle 1. Battery number, 1 to 3. Size, prismatic. Replacement battery, yes. Set type, batteries only. Type, Lithium. Nominal capacity, 3,500 mAh. Model number, for DeWalt 20V DCB200.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.